Hey everyone, it's time for tools of the trade. If you haven't watched the video, the Ultimate Tone and Prob Kit, this is what it looks like. Link is right there. Take some time to watch it. Several months back, I modified this Tone and Prob Kit to meet my specific applications for pro audio. I never dreamed I would have used the Tone and Prob Kit for ever tracing underground lines. I have a wand and a ground tone and probe kit, but my tone generator went out, and so at a moment's notice I grabbed this bad boy, and we're using this to wand and find underground utilities. Today we got some contractors just that direction installing a new septic tank for the customer, and we need to identify the phone and fiber lines that I ran in 2014. I think that's 6 or 7 years. I don't know, I went to public school, that was before Common Core math. But I want to show you how this thing works. It's phenomenal. I'm getting more use out of this little tool than I ever thought possible. So in our setup, this is a tracer wire. In most of the pipes that I run underground, if it's a direct burial or if it's in some sort of conduit, I'm going to put a tracer wire. This is what we can put the tone on to be able to identify where our underground utilities are. The positive goes on the tracer wire, and then the negative, we're just going to ground it out. Stick that into the ground as far as we can go, get some space from it, and then I put my negative, or the black alligator clip, on the grounding probe. It's turned on, and here's my wand. There it is right there. Let's go trace the wire, figure out where it goes. They're ready for us to get out of the way so they can dig.
So it's time for the Ultimate Tone and Prob Kit. Woohoo! Oh yeah? Look at this shirt. Look at that, man, represent. We're gonna take the Ultimate Tone and Prob Kit, detaching it, male XLR plug, and this is gonna go into the stage box. Okay, so simply plugged the Ultimate Tone generator with the XLR into the XLR jack in the box. Let's head upstairs and see what we find. And we're looking for any signal on the console. There's nothing. So let's come back down here, Joe. Let's get this thing going. Because I'm actually seeing, wait, hold on. I'm seeing a peak light. Yeah, peak light on bank B.
Where?
Oh, there it is, rear 5. Got it, Joe. Look at that. So that's coming in on socket 32.
Okay.
Several years ago, I ran conduit under a road, and we just stubbed it on the other end of the road for future use. Well, the future is now present. We need to find the other end of that conduit so we can tie onto it. I don't think I put a tracer wire in the conduit, so we're going to use a fish tape and the Ultimate Tone and Prob Kit. This is just a regular fish tape that we'd run in conduit. This is 200 feet long. I'm going to run the fish tape in the pipe, and then I'm going to attach the Ultimate Tone and Prob Kit and put the tone on this fish tape. Run my ground rod in and turn on the tone generator. So we're making continuity with the fish tape, which is going in the conduit without the pull string. We'll ground it on this end. Well, folks, there it is. I ran 2 pieces of 2-inch interduct rather than 1. I didn't realize that until we dug it up. And also we had a red tracer wire in the ditch that I did not know about. But we got this tied in. So one piece is capped, the other piece we did a compression fitting, so that's PVC with a rubber boot on the inside, and we have just extended it with gray PVC, yellow tone tracer wire. And here's something else I like to do. You can see we got some sod sitting on the pipe up there. I like to hold some caution tape about 6 inches off the pipe. That way if anybody's ever digging in the future, they can stop when they catch this caution tape. So the crew's ready to start backfilling. We dug this morning and now getting ready to backfill, and fiber optic cable will be in this pipe in a couple days. Thanks to the ultimate Tone and Prob Kit.